At the Aldrich Public Library in Barrie, Director Kristen Bauman says the 115-year-old building is the beating heart of the community. Bauman and her staff connect people with all kinds of services: books, Wi-Fi, computers, printers, and local public programs. But more frequently, she says they're on the front lines of drug use, homelessness, and other social needs.
We witness it, we see it, and as librarians, I think that most of us feel compelled to help.
Down the road at the Kellogg Hubbard Library in Montpelier, which was hit hard by this summer's floods, recovery continues.
We're still a ways out from getting our elevator rebuilt, but we're working on the rebuild of the basement proper.
Director Carolyn Picasso says this year, library staff have been dealing with issues beyond their training, dealing with social and human services.
We have had human waste that we've had to clean up from our yard. So many twisted tea cans in the bushes. But we have also had people sleeping on our front steps.
At times, libraries are the only place that are open to the public, with heat, Wi-Fi, bathrooms, and more. These community hubs have different funding and governance models. A new report, 2 years in the making, explains the challenges and opportunities facing all of Vermont's libraries. The report also shows that low wages and healthcare benefits have led to staff shortages. Picasso in Montpelier says she and her team are looking for more resources for training to deal with the increased workload.
So if we can't answer something outright, we try to direct people to the best resource. So understanding where those resources are is hugely important.
Upkeep is also an issue. Many of Vermont's libraries are more than a century old. Funding libraries can be complex. Some are incorporated nonprofits or owned by a town or city, or part of a school or college. Vermont's library standards haven't been updated in the legislature since the 1980s, leading to different conditions in hours, resources, and staffing.
It's really key that for people who have fewer resources, that libraries continue to provide supports, but for everybody, that we are a place where people convene and discuss things, and that the programming we're offering is a place where people are sharing ideas.
Now, there's many recommendations to Vermont lawmakers in this report, but people behind the report are hoping that it can be a springboard for local communities to spark discussions about increased wages and staffing, investments in infrastructure, and also in local programming as well. For now, reporting live in Montpelier, Calvin Cutler, Channel 3 News.